Dr. Surani joins us live to discuss the latest, the new variant. Dr. Surani, thank you so much for being with us this morning. We appreciate you. This new variant that they're naming the stealth variant, do you see it becoming the most dominant variant here in the U.S.?
Good morning, Barbie. Glad to be here. There is no surprise that there would be more variant coming in and which one would be the dominant or not. But again, it's a subset of the Omicron, and it has BA2, which is the second one in line. It has almost 31 of the mutations, same as the BA1, which is the initial Omicron. And could it be a variant of concern? If it starts spreading more and it become a variant of concern, then most likely the WHO is going to give a different name. And what the WHO does is it gives the Greek letter name. So right now, after the Delta, it was Omicron, and after that, it would be the next in line. The key challenge is that is it going to be the dominant? In Denmark, 40% plus of the cases which they are seeing is BA2 variant, which is the stealth variant. It can sometimes bypass your testing mechanism. It's just like the plane flying low so that the radar cannot detect it. And that's how the virus is trying to work. Could it be a most dominant in the US? It can be, because it all depends if the immunity which we develop, more than likely, since it is a 31 of the same mutation, if we get infected, it can protect. And second thing is the vaccine, this still does work.
And Dr. Surani, is there a specific vaccine on its way to address this new variant?
One of the things is the Pfizer has already started trying, started the study addressing Omicron-specific vaccine. So it is good that the other variants are there. So at least when we are going to do the trial and finish the trial, we'll probably be having a BA1, BA2, and BA3. So the other variant of the Omicron likely would be in this study, and it would be addressed. So more than likely, my guess would be, it would be effective, because we're already seeing that the current booster doses are effective 90% in preventing the serious illness or hospitalizations.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says that there's a need for something else, a universal coronavirus vaccine. What do you know about this universal vaccine, and how long will it take to develop?
That is one of the things which, if you recall, we visited about several weeks ago, and that was also based out of the WHO recommendation, because they felt that you can't keep on chasing the very specific mutation and try to make the vaccine, because virus is going to keep on mutating and change the form to evade those specifics. So what his thing was, rather than going with a very, very tightly accurate vaccine addressing one specific protein, we need to have some vaccine which can be a broad and universal. So in other words, it just gets the virus as a whole, rather than just a specific receptor bindings or anything like that. Could it be in the pipeline? I'm pretty sure that they would be working, and we should be able to see it. Would it come in the next couple of months? I don't think so.
Dr. Surani, as always, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being with us this morning. We appreciate you. If you have a question for Dr. Surani, please text your question to the number on your screen, 361-855-6397.